所以，那我因为我的主票呢，是我都de Sanada, Brigade 2, de Tarcha Kings 2, de Tsu Pero Chesa, de la Sénégalais, c'est Mali, c'est ça? C'est les Maliens qui vont faire la manif? C'est quoi? Quelle cause? Sénégal, c'est un lomba de l'Afrique. Cause de Rurus, un peu de Jada Kings, the Treta and the Tsu Pero Chu. Around the Sunday Niento. Chocha Nasha, Sacha de la Ruruch, Juro Chisa, and Diablo of Tombates Jaro Chisongo, Diablo Laya, Tunisi, c'est la Tunisia, Tunisi, Jafraga, Yat, Koso, Jingo Chingadina, Peggy Tarcha King de Two Perochi, hello, the Sangadua, Tarchas Doa, Mazu Jada King is the Two Perochis. Jerim Tupakana, Nyamdi Gezo Duntam, Parshigo Comdre. Non sapete ciò sapete la tanda sushi nange Swiss pegi pime soba sozo siudna chonma sushi nange.
Next we have a speech by President of Tibetan Women Association, Ms. Tgsl. Pemil hana mebe uti chino konsa kamken shimbishola kusha ngwen to sabata peto tri tega pebeki manse Europe chiti number ni chisu number Switzerland and Liechtenstein peri mema Tgsl ki sozo soshe sunbe timi number antana shinki shunje membe sopa kagi kuti number o konke meshi ngaranse desis ki tenje ki kusap chap chesala athana shinki mema sensin nanki yola mesi sane pek pome sopa ki chap shute namplenge yola samje da tuji che shwe penali yebek pemiso jinanda ngamja ngane kami masho wala ne tane shimpare maran sote jinan tanganda khai mebe tho tri tenyam je keso gu tundo mogo nanghe yola nge gesi sane pe khumi sokre sap shite ning tha ne thochi che shunge chosu chita ne ngaran so pe ki tenda mase phato penale yebe ki shiji pinde shetu tetawe legu pe ti ngaransu ki lengen chata keshamba chibe same kent keshambare tete shingi shunde maimbe soba khagi chapse ki legu khanda shpebe ine ke mima number so trin te peba na shingi same tabkyo na ne pero na shwenyi Lotari shi tanda tasa I pimel henso ki gaji draw me thotang ki nimo thang chino khonsa kamgen shibisho na nowe shi de sengda pina biki nimo tela ngaransul tu sine seta tus lotari shi jogu yore ti indu kana tanda nganzu pane ti seta ti sego seta ti tus kesa josung Antara trin te tangaran su kita leki te nyam te kezo tuin te yim pata antara nashi ti tega kyangse jugu yoza nge ki tanda ti sego seta ti iji thon ti dusil malo shabashi shwe Today on December 10th International Human Rights Day we commemorate and celebrate the life and the work of His Holiness, the Dalai Lama, who was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in 1989 for his non-violent struggles for the liberation of Tibet. His Holiness has dedicated his life to the promotion of peace, justice, and human rights for all. His Holiness has constantly advocated for the rights of Tibetan people, women's empowerment, and all other oppressed peoples around the world. Today, on Human Rights Day, we recognize and thank His Holiness for his tireless effort to promote human rights and the protection of fundamental freedoms for all. The Government of People's Republic of China deprives citizens of their rights on a sweeping scale and systematically curtails freedom as a way to retain power. The Chinese government human rights in Tibet, including arbitrary imprisonment, torture, forced labor, restrictions on freedom of speech and assembly, the suppression of religious and cultural rights, and the systematic destructions of monasteries and monuments. The world has turned blind eye to the massive human rights crisis happening in Tibet, East Turkestan, Hong Kong, Uyghur, Inner Mongolian, and Taiwan. China continues to abuse human rights, including the extrajudicial killings of dissidents, torture, forced labor, arbitrary detention, suppression of religious belief, and the mistreatment of minorities. People living under the rule of Xi Jinping face increasing restrictions and their civil liberties. People face the risk of being arbitrarily arrested and detained for their political views, and the government has increased its campaign of repression against religious and ethnic minorities. Since the Chinese occupation of Tibet by armed forces in 1949, the Chinese government has stripped Tibetans of their basic human rights guarantee under the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, annihilating the distinct identities of Tibetans, denying them their inherent dignities of being human despite widespread disapproval and criticism from the international community. The United Nations has not taken any action against China over its human rights record. As of 2021, the United Nations main bodies, including the Human Rights Council and the General Assembly, have passed several resolutions condemning Chinese human rights abuses and have called the investigation and accountability. However, these resolutions are non-binding and have limited impacts. China has also constantly opposed any proposed measures to hold it accountable for its human rights violation. Today, though we commemorate these days of Human Rights Day, Tibetans are forbidden to express their view and thoughts that go against Chinese propaganda openly and critically. Tibetan writers, intellectuals, and singers are not allowed to have open discussion about the condition of Tibetans in Tibet or express any political religious view. Tibet's fragile ecosystem is a risk of the series of wrong development programs by China in Tibet. The environmental situation is devastating, but we, the Tibetan people, will not give up. His Holiness' messages of peace, justice, and and human rights will be continued to inspire and guide us in our work for a more just and peaceful world. The Tibetan Women Association continues to appeal for the rights of people struggling under the Chinese repression. We all hope for a peace resolution to the ongoing situation in Tibet so that all Tibetans can return and live in freedom safely and dignity. Until then, we encourage the international community to keep Tibet and His Holiness the Dalai Lama in the spotlight, to continue to support the Tibetans in their struggle for freedom and autonomy. International organizations such as United Nations can help by pressing the Chinese government to hold its human rights obligation. Thank you. Tadente Pemilana maybe Utichino Consequence Champacho. Kuse Yering Tempata, Peki Tenda, New to Sebeke Melamta, and Shije Pimi Yamzom Yombeki, Tashi Melam Shui, Pegalo, 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 Tuchana.
朋友说我操子说了呀，都去学营，Tgsl了呀，Europe给许多听说给操子说的嘛，送些那营。
Next, we have speech by President of Tibetan Youth Association Europe, Ms. Gesang.
Hello everyone. First of all, I'd like to thank Tgsl, President of the Tibetan community, Switzerland and Liechtenstein, for the invitation. And I'd like to also welcome (Tgsl), (Tgsl) from the Tibet office, the monastic community, (Tgsl) from the Tibetan Women Association, as well as (Tgsl) from the Swiss Tibetan Friendship Association. My name is Gesang. I am the co-president of the Tibetan Youth Association in Europe. I was born and raised in Switzerland and had the privilege to grow up in a loving and supporting environment. To have access to a great education was normal for me. Furthermore, I also had the opportunity to live out the Tibetan culture and open and freely. Showing proudly the Tibetan flag, learning the Tibetan language, and gather around with my Tibetan friends was part of my childhood. These are simple aspects of my life as a Tibetan growing up in exile. So wouldn't one think that growing up in Tibet would make the access to the Tibetan language, to the Tibetan culture and identity much easier? No. Around 100,000 Tibetan children aged 4 to 6 and 900,000 Tibetan children aged from 6 to 18 are in so-called Chinese colonial boarding schools. Schools where these children are forced to live far away from their loved ones and are deprived of the Tibetan culture and language. The families in Tibet are forced to send their children there by the threats of the CCP and lack of alternatives. They have to grow up in institutions, which makes it difficult to grow a connection to their own identity and denies you the access to family love. So I ask now the United Nations, how would you feel if your children were taken away at such a young age? How would you act if you see that your culture and identity is fading away? CCP's goal is fully vanish our identity. Tibetans in Tibet do not have the possibilities to speak up, and if they do, they disappear from the screen and get unjustified prison sentences. Our message to the United Nations: we demand concrete actions and sanctions to ensure that China is held accountable for their human rights violation to us Tibetans, Uyghurs and Hong Kongers. We will resist and protest for our cause until we achieve our goal of free Tibet with no human rights violation by the CCP. I am proud to stand here and speak about my human rights situation in my homeland, and I urge Tibetan youth to do the same. We are the future of our motherland. We are the ones who have to keep on fighting for our independence. Our brothers and sisters rely on our activism. So join us and let's bring His Holiness the Dalai Lama and what he stands for back home together. Thank you. Tgsl.
유럽의 흉태에서 소소라야 숭신나와 도시의 아니 디젤 같은다 무디 미만이야 아니 캠베나이
Long live Dalai Lama! United Nations! Wake up! United Nations! Wake up! United Nations! Wake up! Shame on Chinese government! Shame on Chinese government! Shame on Chinese government! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Speaking Tibetan language! Stop the killing! In Tibet! Stop the killing! In Tibet! Stop the torturing! In Tibet! Stop the torturing! In Tibet! Stop the culture genocide! In Tibet! Stop the culture genocide! In Tibet! Stop the culture genocide! In Tibet! We demand human rights! In Tibet! We demand human rights! In Tibet! We demand human rights! In Tibet! Tibet is burning! Tibet is burning! Release! Tgsl Lama! Release! Tgsl Lama! Release all the political prisoners! In Tibet! Release all the political prisoners! In Tibet! We want justice! In Tibet! We want justice! In Tibet! Tibet belongs to Tibetan! Tibet belongs to Tibetan! Tibet belongs to Tibetan! Long live! Long live! Long show! Dalai Lama! Long show! Emi long show! Mata! Simshu macha! Simshu macha! Long show! Emi is a long show! Mata! Simshu macha! Long live! Dalai Lama! Long live! Dalai Lama! Long live! Dalai Lama! Stop killing! In Tibet! Stop killing! In Tibet! UNO! We will wake up! UNO! Wake up! UNO! Wake up! Tibet is burning! China is lying! Tibet is burning! China is lying! Tibet is burning! China is lying! No human rights! In Tibet! No human rights! In Tibet! No human rights! In Tibet! Wake up! United Nations! Wake up! United Nations! Shame! Chinese government! Shame! Chinese government! What we want! We want justice! What we want! We want justice! Shame! Chinese government! Long show! It's all long show! Long show! Mata! Simshu macha! Simshu macha!
Stop killing!
demand human rights. We demand human rights. We demand human rights. Tibet is burning. Tibet is burning. Tibet is burning. Release all political prisoners. Release all political prisoners. Release all political prisoners. Tibet belongs to. Tibet belongs to. Tibet belongs to. United Nations. United Nations. United Nations. Stop the colonial boarding schools. Stop the colonial boarding schools. Stop the colonial boarding schools. Speaking Tibetan language. Speaking Tibetan language. Speaking Tibetan language. Stop cultural genocide. Stop cultural genocide. Stop cultural genocide. Stop cultural genocide. Free Tibet. Free Tibet. Free Tibet. CCP lies. CCP lies. CCP lies. CCP lies. CCP lies. We demand human rights. We demand human rights. We demand human rights. United Nations. United Nations. United Nations. United Nations. Stop genocide. Stop genocide. Stop genocide. Release all political prisoners. Release all political prisoners. Release, release. Release, release. Release, release. Stop the colonial boarding schools. Stop the colonial boarding schools. Stop the colonial boarding schools. Speaking Tibetan language. Speaking Tibetan language. Speaking Tibetan language. Stop the cultural genocide. Stop the cultural genocide. China lies. China lies. China lies. We demand human rights. We demand human rights. Pöki takpo. Pöki takpo. Macha macha. Macha macha. Macha macha. Long live. Long live. Long live. Let the Dalai Lama. Let the Dalai Lama. Let the Dalai Lama. We demand human rights. We demand human rights. We demand human rights. Tibet is burning. Tibet is burning. Tibet is burning. CCP lies. CCP lies. CCP lies. We want. Tibet belongs to. Tibet belongs to. Tibet belongs to. Pöki takpo. Pöki takpo. Pöki takpo. United Nations. United Nations. United Nations. Stop the colonial boarding schools. Stop the colonial boarding schools. Stop the colonial boarding schools. Stop cultural genocide. Stop cultural genocide. Stop cultural genocide. Speaking Tibetan language. Speaking Tibetan language.
It's not a crime.
Speaking Tibetan language.
It's not a crime.
Practicing Tibetan culture.
It's not a crime.
Practicing Tibetan culture.
It's not a crime.
Practicing Tibetan culture.
It's not a crime.
Practicing Tibetan religion.
It's not a crime.
Practicing Tibetan religion.
It's not a crime.
Practicing Tibetan religion.
It's our rights.
Free Tibet.
Free Tibet.
Free Tibet.
Free Tibet.
Free Tibet.
Free Tibet.
Long live.
Dalai Lama.
Long live!
Dalai Lama.
Long live!
Dalai Lama.
Let His Holiness the Dalai Lama.
Return to Tibet.
Let His Holiness the Dalai Lama.
Return to Tibet.
Let His Holiness the Dalai Lama.
Return to Tibet.
Let His Holiness the Dalai Lama.
Return to Tibet.
Let His Holiness the Dalai Lama.
Return to Tibet.
Tibet is burning.
China is lying.
Tibet is burning.
China is lying.
Tibet is burning.
China is lying.
CCP lies.
Tibetans die.
CCP lies.
Tibetans die.
China lies.
Tibetans die.
China lies.
Tibetans die.
China lies.
Tibetan dies.
Release.
Hashtag make China accountable. Accountable सुनो ना. Hashtag make China accountable. China accountable. Make China accountable. COVID-19. COVID-19. Make China accountable. Make China accountable. Stop killing. Stop killing in Tibet. Stop torturing in Tibet. Stop torturing in Tibet. We demand human rights in Tibet. We demand human rights in Tibet. Tibet is burning. Tibet is burning.
Ganesh lie.
Release, release.
Benche Lama.
Release, release.
Benche Lama.
We want justice. We want justice
In Tibet.
Release all the political prisoners.
In Tibet.
Release all the political prisoners.
In Tibet.
We want. We want.
Freedom.
We want.
Freedom.
Tibet blues too.
Tibetan.
Tibet blues too.
Tibetan.
Long live.
Lama.
Long live.
Dalai Lama.
United Nations.
Wake up.
United Nations.
Wake up. Wake up.
Shame on Chinese government.
Shame. Shame.
Shame on Chinese government.
Shame. Shame. 디체 재림딜라 오란쪽이 스위스 수배 준비 소박이 아니 구섭 강신상 구산나니마 아니 송신나이.
Next, we have speech of board members of the Swiss Tibetan Friendship Association, Tgsl.
드링냠슈 난게 상말라 수배 준비 잡잡슈네 규샵 3리더 투지슈기 드링 개용기 드라미 톱다니말랑 얘기 찍하셔지 인지 돌아슈기. It is an important occasion and I really appreciate your solidarity for the Tibetan cause, for the cause of our country. On behalf of the Swiss Tibetan Friendship Association, I would like to say a few words to you on this year's Human Rights Day. The human rights situation in Tibet has worsened over decades. The CCP Sinicization policy has reached a new level, and a number of reports show how the Chinese government is subtly, gradually and comprehensively pushing towards the spread of Chinese ideas, customs and religions. Meetings and seminars to promote Semitic education are being held with the aim to spread Xi Jinping's ideas and erase us, as well as other minorities in the long run. In September, the Education Department of Tgsl Prefecture in eastern Tibet officially ended Tibetan language teaching in all grades from primary to higher secondary schools. This teaching had already ended in all middle schools in March. In Yushu Prefecture in northern Tibet, the local middle school sent a letter to all parents in September. The letter pointed out that the school and parents have a joint responsibility to ensure that children do not adopt religious beliefs. They stated that religion and education must be kept separate. It is also referred to the Chinese constitution, which states that religion must not be used to undermine social harmony, and the national education system. In October, a workshop was held in Ngari Prefecture in Western Tibet with 400 teachers and school children from primary and secondary schools under the motto anti-separatism. All participants had to pledge their loyalty to the state ideology and condemn separatism and His Holiness the Dalai Lama. School children were banned from religious activities in schools, and teaching staff were banned from teaching religious content. In October, a Tibetan Wangjutso from a village in Dola County in northern Tibet was arrested. Her relatives have been denied a visit and do not know where she is being held. She is accused of sharing a photo of His Holiness the Dalai Lama on WeChat and maintaining correspondence with relatives abroad. Let me remind you, human rights range from the most fundamental rights, so basically the right to live, to the rights that make life worth living, such as the rights to food, education, work, health, and liberty. Those rights are inherent to all of us, like literally all of us. However, they are not granted to everyone and everywhere. So my fellow Tibetans and supporters, it is on us to spread those horrendous incidents and to advocate for the Tibetan cause. Our brothers and sisters in Tibet, they don't have the privilege, but we do. So let's be loud and clear and demand human rights in Tibet. Long live His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama. Tgsl! 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 Tusen takk.
感谢上顾上老头先呢。